Hi guys, welcome back to another silk maternity wrapping tutorial. Today we're going to do a nice, easy, simple wrap that you can do in multiple ways to get the most out of one style. So today we have the lovely Danny helping us out and we are using Mia Stilo silks. Now this is the one that comes with a 4-meter silk, which is your main silk. It then also comes with the smaller part, which is used as a top. It does also come with a tie, but we're not going to be using the tie today. So I'm going to start off first of all with the top. Now these silks do have seams, so it's always good to find where the seams are so we know that that's not going to interrupt when we wrap in round. So I've found the middle part and we're going to wrap nice and simple around the front. And then if I can ask you just to turn around for me please, Dan. And the back of this top, we're going to tie in a bow. It's a really nice, simple bow. We want it nice and tight, so we've still got a nice bit of support, but not too tight that we're cutting off circulation. Less is more when you're pulling this through, because if you want to pull a little bit more and make it more defined, you can. But it's very hard if you pull too much through to then correct it. So you then have to start again with the bow. Now, this is a nice bit of detail, so if you're going to do any poses to the side, then you can see a little bit of it, but it's not too big that it's showing from the front and distracting. Now, if you can turn back around to the front for me, please, Dan. So I'm just going to make sure this is all looking nice and neat. And if you need to make any adjustments then to tighten any of the parts, we do at this point. Okay, so moving on to the skirt, we're going to do the same thing now with the skirt where we find the centre part. This one doesn't have seams in it, but I would like it to have an equal amount of fabric on both sides, because when we tie it, that can be used then for posing, and I'll show you that in a second. So now that I've kind of got the middle, thank you, we're going to tie the top part around bump. Again, can you just swivel around for me for a second? And I'm going to take enough on both sides, thank you, just to be able to tie this. Pull the top part through. Again, we want it nice and tight up here, not too much that you're cutting off circulation. Does that feel comfortable, Dan?
Yeah.
Lovely. And this knot, once we're in, and just pull the top part out, well, all we're going to do is just tuck those bits in so they're not flapping about, and then it's hidden then by the bow. Lovely. So if you can turn back around for me. Again, I'm just going to make some adjustments so the seams are not on show. And this is where we've got our first look. And when I was talking about the same amount of material on both sides, it just means that if we're going to be doing anything with the silk to create some texture to a little dress throw, then you've got an equal amount on both sides to be able to do so. So this is the first look. So for the second look with this one, we are just going to twist the skirt. Now I am going to untie the knot just so we've got a little bit of slack, so it's a little bit easier to twist the skirt round. But we're keeping it exactly as we had it before. Same tie, same place on the body. We're just tying at the side instead of around the back. Again, nice and tight so that we don't have anything loose around the top. And then tuck those little bits in there so we don't see them. Now you might have a little bit of skin showing here, so I'm just going to pop that top down so it meets, so we don't have anything around the front there. And then this is perfect for getting a little bit of leg out. So when we're posing, we've got that nice silhouette and we've got a little bit of leg on show. So that's look number 2. So for the third look, we're just going to untie and retie the skirt as we did before around the back. Okay, so if you can turn to the side for me. Now where we had it tied above bump before, all I'm going to do is just bring it down underneath bump and tie it in exactly the same way, so we're still keeping that top part nice and tight. And what I always do is just keep checking in with your client to make sure that it feels secure enough, but that it's not too tight. How's that feel, Dan?
Yeah, all good.
Okay. I'm trying to get the knot as small as possible, and then just tucking the excess in again. Okay, turn back around to the front for me. So again, we've got plenty of excess silk on both sides. So if you wanted to do a little toss with this, there's plenty there. But this way, just cup your bump for me like that, beautiful. This way we've got a nice bit of skin out on show as well. Just changes the look up slightly. So as you can see, we've gone back to the first skirt tie that we did, which is just a simple tie at the back, because this time we are just going to change things up with the top. So we'll turn to the side again for me, Dan, thank you. So I'm going to undo the bow, and all I'm going to do is just spin it round so we're facing the front. Can you come back around for me? Thank you. And we're going to do the same, exactly the same tie as we did last time, but we're going to do it up on the front instead. Just going to take some time to make sure this is nice and straight, because I don't want to be photoshopping creases out later if I don't have to. And again, we want it tight enough to give support. Just don't tie it too tight. And as before, less is more with a bow. Don't pull too much out in the beginning. And then you can always add to how much material you've got coming through afterwards, until you're happy with what it looks like. So now we've got the top done, we can repeat the first steps that we did with the skirt. So we can bring the tie round so it's tied on the side and get the leg out. We can then retie underneath bump, so if you want a little bit more bump on show, then you can do that as well. So with the simple tie on the top and the simple tie on the bottom, you can create 6 different looks. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. We've got more content over on our memberships, so go check that out, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!